Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem when Chatgpt is at capacity right now. So here I'll show you the steps I took to fix this problem I had with Chatgpt. And the first thing that I did was to double check the VPN I use. I use Proton VPN by the way, and I disconnected from the VPN servers. Then I went to my network settings and double checked that I had a stable internet going. Because sometimes this is a common problem with a lot of ChatGPT server problems. Now, when you have the error that ChatGPT is at capacity right now, you won't be able to see the search box below. So the first thing to do is just try and reload the ChatGPT website. Also, go ahead and delete the chat that you made on the left-hand side just to refresh everything. And the next thing you want to try doing is going to the settings of your web browser and deleting all things OpenAI related in terms of the history, cookies, and site data. So to do this, go to your settings and on the left-hand side, look for your cookies and site permissions settings for your web browser. It could differ depending on the browser that you use. Search for OpenAI and go ahead and delete all cookies and data stored for your web browser in relation to OpenAI. And as you can see, once you've done all that, go ahead and go back and log into ChatGPT, try messaging it with the prompt, and it should be working perfectly again. And we've reached the end of the video. That's really it for now, and if you learned something new, go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy and quick tutorial content, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.